Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Civic. We're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find where the tail lights relay is located. Okay, this one will be for tail lights, brake lights. We're going to explain which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays as well. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So the tail light relay, we'll demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic that we have here at the garage. Now, you guys have different fuse boxes, 2 of them. We'll need to open the fuse box that's located right under the hood on your Honda Civic. And if you open the hood right here, you're going to see that this fuse box, that cover right here, if you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks, okay, just like this one. This one will be the front of your Honda Civic. This is towards the back side. Now, before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the tail light relay, okay, where it's located, you guys have different, you can see fuses, relays. Some of those could be Honda specific, so check the links if you need help with that. You're going to come in that row on the very left side of the fuse box, starting right here now, okay. You're going to check relay number 1, 2. That relay right here, that's the one for the tail lights that you will need to check. If yours do not work, you need to check this one. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.